YouTube family, welcome back to our channel Mindhunt. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how I organize my study table and assemble all my things on it. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything. So let's begin. So guys, here firstly, I want to do this. That is, I want to decorate my folder. So I'm going to do that now. Now first let me apply some glue to my stickers. And then paste it all around, like whichever sticker you want you can paste. And I just love this stickers, so I'm just pasting. I want to make it somewhat like a collage thing, so don't mind. And yes, obviously there will be some gaps actually, and this glue has got stuck to my hand. So I will ready up my folder and I will show you. So guys, I have stuck some of these stickers, and now I'm going to stick some more. And yes, there are some same pictures, but I don't mind because I'm not having those many pictures, like different variety of pictures, so I don't mind because I just wanted to see my diary to look really pretty. So I don't want to make it like a collage work, so I just want some of the black background to be seen, and I'm doing the same, I guess. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Mindhunt. And yes, please suggest some videos so that I can make you feel more interesting to see our channel. So I think you will do that. So if you have any doubts or queries in 10th NCERT, you can just post it or give it under the comments. So I'll be checking the comment section every day, and if you want to see, or if you want me to post any video on any other topic, you can just say me so that I can post. Yes, now my folder is done, I think. And guys, I want to show you one. My friend Soumya, actually, even she started a channel, and her channel name is Soumya and Satvik. Even that is an interesting channel, so you can just subscribe. And she is a good artist because she has drawn this within 15 minutes or so, I don't know, like she just drew it and she left here itself. So yes, if she watches this video, I think she can comment in the comment section what does she feel. So now moving to our topic, I want to show you my study table. So yes, now let me show my study table. Now let me show my study table, and here is my laptop, and then these are my things which I assemble here on the study table because I need these during my online classes and all to mention everything. So now I will clearly show you what I'm having inside this. Firstly, I want to show you my folder, and I have a pen over here. So yes, this is my folder, and inside this I have some papers, so I will just take it out. These are the papers, and these are my revision notes which I have prepared, and these are not flashcards. This is made up of paper, and yes, these are the revision notes, and I have kept some test papers because I have written all the important points while the online classes go on. So yes, I just keep everything in this folder. So this folder, and then I have a journal. I just wanted to write, sometimes I want to write my diary. So I use this one, and this is my personal, so I just don't want to show this. And then this is my book in which I write everything, and if I want some, if I get any ideas about projects and all, I will be writing in this diary. So then one more thing I need to show is a small cute file I have, and in this you may I think it is visible, you are having a Fevistick, and then I will show you what I'm having in this. Actually, I have a Fevistick and then some extra pens, like I just don't want to roam in wet paint, so I have some extra pens in my file, and then a stapler. Oh gosh, it's not coming out actually. So this is my stapler, and the tape and staple pens. I have only this in my file actually. This is my mini file which I use. And then in this box I have some color pens actually. So these are my color pencils actually, sorry. These are my color pencils which I have. And then in this pouch I have color pens. So these are my color pens. So I just keep it here. And in a box like this actually. This box you have seen, it is to the corner. And in this I have a pair of scissors and then some straws. If I want to make any crafts right there, I will have them. And a glue stick. And then some pickers. So yeah, I'll have these. And then coming to this bottle actually. This is a bottle I think. So in this bottle, I will show you what I'm having. So I have color papers. Not n number of color papers, but minimum just to, I think 10 color papers I may have. So I won't have, I don't want to keep more color papers in home. So I have only 10 color papers. And then I just prepared a small tin actually. I want to make it. And in this I'm having highlighters and then blue pens. And I have two sketches actually. One black and one purple. To, I said that I will be writing some ideas for the project. So I will be mentioning about the sketches. And then a black pen. So that immediately if I want to refill my pen, I can pick out a pen from this. And then I have a mini dustbin. Here you can see a mini dustbin, right? Ding. This is my mini dustbin. And finally, my water bottle. So my water bottle is, I don't know, but I think it's one of my precious thing because I drink water a lot. So yes, these are the things which I keep, which I assemble on my study table. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.